Good morning. Look at this. 3845, 51 item, 17 miles, 3 people. That's a lot. $10.86. One person, 15 items, 6.2 miles. I'm like 10 miles away from this store. No. 1150, 17 items, 55 units. That's freaking crazy at the Sprouts. $11.50, 10.4 miles. What else do you got? Goofiness. Go to the Target, get 3 items, but it's 13 miles after the fact. $10. Then you get 8 items, one person, then you gotta go 6.1 miles. That is not enough money. No. Yes, good morning. It's Sunday, 9:43 a.m. And I just showed you some of the things that Instacart is offering. It's idiotic. Supposed to do the Grubhub at 11. So I'm just waiting for something that I can really do really quickly on Instacart. But that doesn't look like I'm going to be doing anything. So we'll see what happens. Look at this crap. 27.28, one person, 31 items, 34 units, 53 miles. 53 miles? And you still got that one for 17.9 miles, 30. Nobody's going to take that. 3 people? If this was one person, I would have taken it, the 38.45. Oh my gosh. That is a no-go. So after all that time, it's 11:08. And I never got anything I wanted in Instacart, so Grubhub has started, and I just got one for, what the heck was it? A shop and pay at Randall's, and I think it was 19 miles, but it's gonna take me 7 miles to get there, and then when I finish, it's gonna take me back another 9 or 10 miles. Anyway, 19 items, $33. I'll take it. That's the way to start. Yep, 18 items at the Randos. I know when you're, if you don't do Instacart on a regular basis and you have shop and pay with Grubhub, DoorDash, or Uber Eats, and some of the things that they throw at you shopping wise, they seem daunting, but actually this is a pretty easy order for 33 bucks. Like the other shopping at Instacart, if you get $33 for an order, it's usually like I don't know how many cases of water and cases of pop and all this other heavy items. This is just a regular shopping order. Nothing too stressful, nothing really heavy. It's just 18, 19 items, and that's it. And the mileage, it takes me 7.7 miles to get there, which is whatever. And then It's gonna do another, I think 10, 11, whatever it is, to get to my where I want to go, where I have to go to. So it's all inclusive. All that it said 19 miles or 17 miles, whatever it said. So it's very, very easy. Now, if it was, like I said, Instacart order, $33, $40. Sometimes even if I showed you earlier, $15, and it was like 40 items. And then after that, you got to go 20 miles, 25 miles. Why? That's outrageous. The one that was $50, it might have been low on items, like 17. It was 78 miles. How the hell you gonna get? That's ridiculous. So this is a good order. These are the items. Yep, these are the items. All of the items that I have to shop for. I think this is worth $32. How about you guys? And it only took me a little bit because I had to look around for a couple things, but it's fine. And actually, it's going to be less than I thought. It's going to be 6 miles to pay dirt. For that one, $33.43. Boom. As you can see, $33.43 for randos. Hubby. And we got another one, 842, 4.6 miles. Yeah, and actually, this one is going to be short also because this is 2.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Northwest Boulevard. Then at the roundabout, take the second exit.
2.8 miles to get there. So, cool. Wait a minute, I got another one. If I freaking get my fingers over there. 10 miles. I'll take it. So it's going to be 2.1 miles.
Starting route. Proceed to...
It's a rainy day today. I didn't come prepared.
Continue straight, then use the left 2 lanes to keep left.
It's gonna rain later. But anyway, the reason I took that one for $7, 10 miles, is because it's the total mileage, like I've been saying.
Use the left 2 lanes to keep left.
It's not gonna be the miles to the customer after you get the item. It's gonna be going to the store,
keep left,
the
then
restaurant.
take a slight left turn onto Williams Drive.
Shut up. To the restaurant, and also to the customer. And if you notice, I always have my GPS on twofold. One thing, sometimes I have no clue where I'm at, because I'm originally from Chicago. And the second thing is, McDonald's, I know where that is, and go there, and I'm at the wrong McDonald's. So I'd rather put the GPS on and know where the hell I'm going than not have it on and go to the wrong place.
At the light, take a slight left turn onto Williams Drive.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for these GPS. Initially it said 10 miles, then when I came out of the store it said 10 miles. But then it wanted me to do U-turns and all this other unnecessary stuff. So then I went a different way, and they said 11.1 miles. What? And then I said, well, let me substitute this and go this way because it's going down this one particular street anyway. It's going to be ending up on Route 29, and they wanted me to go Leander. They wanted me 8 miles, so I saved a couple of miles. Better than the alternative. Yeah, I was doing this Grubhub, and it's too much. It's raining really bad. I drove out here. Just $7 for this order. Then I was supposed to be going all the way back to where I just came from. Then pick up another order for another, I think it was $5 or $6. And it's continuous. I know, you know, AI doesn't care or what have you. But I care because I'm not driving all crazy in this rain. Texas drivers are nutty. So I'm going home. I think I made, I'm sorry. I think I made, yeah, $49. And I'm done. That's the way it is sometimes. But let me see how much I made for the week. $272 on Grubhub, and I made $187 on Instacart. I know it's not my 500, but I think let me see. It's 470, about 479.02. It's good enough for this week. I'll make it up next week. I just remember, I also had a $19.
At the next light, turn left.
Hey, $19.03 on Uber Eats. So you can put down.
At the light, turn left onto Coffee.
500. I'll round it up to the nearest 100 or whatever. It's funny. That's funny to me. So I guess I can go home and watch some Turner Classic Movies. Woohoo! PCM.